Honor and privilege to welcome all of you to this very important gender and sensitivity training. Today we gather not only as educators but as advocates of inclusion, equity, and respect. In our classrooms, we do more than teach subjects. We shape lives, nurture values, and empower our learners to embrace diversity. This training has 4 key objectives that will guide our sessions. First, it aims to empower teachers with the knowledge, skills, and attitudes needed to create inclusive and equitable learning environments where diversity is not only respected but celebrated. Second, it seeks to increase awareness about the importance of gender-inclusive education, helping us recognize how sensitivity to gender impacts provide us with comprehensive training on gender sensitivity pedagogy, inclusive curriculum development, and strategies for fostering safe and welcoming classrooms. And finally, it encourages us to deepen our understanding of wellness and our connection to the Safe Space Act, reminding us of our responsibility to uphold respect, dignity, and protection for every learner. As a teachers, we are the front of building a society where every individual, regardless of gender, background, or identity, can thrive and succeed. By the end of this training, may we become more equipped, more inspired, and more committed to being champions of inclusion in our schools and communities. With that, I welcome all of you for this training and wish us fruitful discussions and meaningful learning together. Thank you, and once again, magandang buhay sa inyong lahat.
Ang tao may strong personality. Meron ko ba? Accordingly, pero sasabi ko niyo, lahat, pero hindi ko lahat. Kasi may nagtutroma, hindi nagsusuicide. Isang may salita na po ang mabitawan natin.
Days. At third offense, 11 to 30 days and a 10,000 pesos fine. Medyo maliit kasi verbal pa lang naman siya. So, all the punishment should always be commensurate to the crime. So, pero syempre, eto na, kapag medyo may physical na, demonstrated gender-based sensitivity harassment. The first offense, 12 hours na. Second offense, imprisonment of 11 to 30 days and a fine of 15,000 pesos.